How to use drag and drop on iPhone to do multiple stuff. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Tech. In this video I'll show you how you can use the drag and drop feature on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to use the drag and drop feature on iPhone, now there are a couple of ways to do this. First is if you want to move all apps at once, if you want to download multiple images at once, it's very simple. So let's say I want to move all of these icons over here to the next screen at once. So I'll just go ahead and long press on one specific cap and do not let go of this finger right over here. So you can see I'm still holding it, and while you're holding it, make sure to tap on the other applications that you want to move. So as you can see, I'm not letting go of this main finger right over here, but I'll just keep adding other apps from this list. I'll just go ahead and simply select it just like that. I'm sure you'll be able to tap on it while holding the other app over here. Now once I select the apps I want to move, I'll just move it to the next screen and I'll just release my fingers. Then all of the apps will be added to this specific page. And if I want to remove it back again, I can just let it come back to my main home page right over here. This is one way to use it. The other way you can also use it is via your Google Photos and multiple photos and so on. So you can do this on your Google Photos application. If you just select one, and you can add much more to it. You can do it from the Safari application. You can do it from many more applications as well. That's basically how you can use a drag and drop on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.